Okay, it was real quick. We want to talk about the VIDIQ features, and one of them is the inline keywords. But, well, let me go back a little bit in history. One day, Eileen Smith, she made a video about something that Steve Dotto was doing with his statistics and so forth. And at the bottom, I saw the little logo for VIDIQ. Clicked on it. Well, the rest is history. I'm now an annual subscriber, and I'll tell you, VIDIQ gives you a whole lot of facets on your YouTube video that you didn't know you even had. There's a lot of pluses. So do kick the tires on that VIDIQ. I think you're going to like what's there. And speaking of liking what's there, today is International Women's Day. If you go to the Google document for this episode of the Guy or Cook Report, I've got a link in there for the International Women's Day website. And I want you to have a minute to look at that. Okay? I want to thank all the patrons that support this effort and you for taking time out of your busy day. It's a wrap.